In this video, we're going to be looking at the topic of stratified sampling. The idea with stratified sampling is that a population, in this case a school, has been divided into different groups, year groups. At the moment, I can see that there are 253 students in Year 7 out of 820 students in the school. And the idea with stratified sampling is that I want to keep the proportion of Year 7s within the population the same as the proportion of Year 7s within my sample. So in other words, 253 over 820 has to equal the number of people that I will take from Year 7 to be in my sample out of 20. Rearranging this to find out what x is equal to 253 divided by 820 times by 20. Grabbing a calculator and typing this in will give 6.1707. Make sure that whenever you get an answer, you interpret the context of the question. I was talking about Year 7s in this example, so an answer of 6.1707 is not right, because I can't get 0.1707 of a person. So we'll round this to 6 students. And that's my answer. I will take 6 students from Year 7 to be in my sample. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So I can see in this question that there are 44 students out of 146 pupils that are in Year 7. I want to keep the proportion of Year 7s in my sample to be the same as what it is in the population. So in other words, I want this to equal x over 60, since 60 is my new sample size. Rearranging this gives me x is equal to 44 over 146 times by 60, and this gives the answer 18.082. As before, we're talking about the context of people and selecting them to be in a sample. Surrounding this number would give 18 students to be selected from Year 7 to be in my sample.